What happens? When you do 50 push-ups every day, the shocking reality. All right, let's be honest. You've been hammering out 50 push-ups every single day. You're consistent. You're disciplined. But the only thing that seems to be growing is your frustration and maybe a little shoulder pain. You feel the burn, you put in the work, but when you look in the mirror, it's the same story, same physique, same plateau. And you start wondering, what am I doing wrong? Is my body just not built for this? Well, you've accidentally been following the wrong playbook. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the simple progression method that will actually build muscle and finally get you off that plateau for good. Section 1. The plateau problem. Why your 50 push-ups stopped working. Here's the truth. Your problem isn't effort, it's adaptation. Your body is a smart machine. Its number one goal? Make hard things easier. When you first started push-ups, they were tough. Your muscles had to respond, so they grew stronger. But after weeks or months of doing the same 50 reps, your body has fully adapted. Those push-ups are no longer a challenge. They're maintenance, like walking up the same flight of stairs every day. This is the principle you've been missing. Progressive overload. Muscles grow when the challenge increases, not when the reps stay the same. Doing 50 push-ups every day is the opposite of progressive overload. But here's what's even worse. Repeating the same movement daily is a fast track to shoulder pain, elbow tendinitis, overuse injuries, posture problems, muscle imbalances. When you only train your chest, triceps, and front shoulders, but ignore your back, your shoulders get pulled forward. That creates the classic rounded posture look, the opposite of athletic. And remember, muscles don't grow while you're training. They grow during recovery, 24 to 72 hours later. Daily push-ups leave no time to actually build. Muscle research is crystal clear, intensity plus rest days. Results: endless daily reps, plateaus. Section 2. The solution: intensity over volume. Here's the mindset shift. Forget the number 50. Your goal is not to complete a certain number of reps. Your goal is to reach muscle failure within the 8 to 15 rep range. That's the sweet spot for hypertrophy. If you can do 50 push-ups straight, the first 25 to 30 reps aren't doing anything meaningful. That's junk volume. Only the last few reps actually stimulate muscle growth. Now imagine this. Instead of doing 50 easy push-ups, you do 3 sets of a harder variation where you fail at 10 to 12 reps. Suddenly, every rep counts. Every rep builds muscle. Your joints are safer, you save time, and you actually grow. The new rule is simple. Increase difficulty, not reps. Once 3 sets of 15 become easy, you level up to a harder push-up variation. Section 3. Your new progression plan. Make push-ups hard again. Here's the exact roadmap depending on your level. Beginners. Can't do 10 standard push-ups yet? Start with wall push-ups, incline push-ups, counter, desk, chair, bench, knee, push-ups, standard push-ups. Once you can do 3 sets of 15, move to the next level. Intermediate, stuck at 30 to 50 push-ups. This is where most people plateau. Try these. 1. Decline push-ups, feet elevated, more load on upper chest plus shoulders. 2. Diamond push-ups, a brutal triceps and inner chest builder. 3. Slow-tempo push-ups, 3 seconds down, 1 second, pause 3 seconds up. Just 8 of these will light you up. Advanced, standard push-ups are too easy. Level up to weighted push-ups, backpack or vest. Archer push-ups, gateway to one-arm push-ups. Ring push-ups, insane stability challenge. These will humble even experienced lifters. Section 4. The bigger picture. Push versus pull plus the power of rest. Even if you follow the perfect push-up progression, you'll still fail if you do this. Only training pushing muscles. Your body needs balance. Push muscles, chest, triceps, front shoulders. Pull muscles, back biceps, rear shoulders. If you train only push-ups, your chest tightens and pulls your posture forward. To fix this, match every push movement with a pull movement. Great pulling options include pull-ups, chin-ups, inverted rows, dumbbell rows, and the best weekly structure: push, pull, legs, rest, repeat. This gives your muscles time to recover, repair, grow. Rest isn't optional, it's mandatory. Section 5, the final key. You can't out-train your diet. Let's address the title, Still Look the Same. You can have the perfect workout progression, but if your nutrition is off, you will still look the same. Muscle can't show through body fat, and muscle can't grow without protein. Aim for 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight per day, and maintain a small calorie deficit. If your goal is definition, training builds the muscle. Nutrition reveals it. Your 60-day action plan. Here's your exact roadmap. Weeks 1 to 2. Foundation. Find a variation where you fail at 8 to 12 reps. Do 3 sets, 3 times a week on non-consecutive days. Weeks 3 to 4. Add volume, move to 4 sets of the same exercise. Weeks 5 to 6. Increase difficulty level up to the next harder push-up variation. Drop to 3 sets again. Weeks 7 to 8. Add intensity, use a slow tempo, or add an AMRAP final set. Stop mindlessly counting to 50. Start challenging your muscles. Recover properly. Balance your pushing with pulling. Fuel your body the right way. You've already proven your discipline. Now you have the right strategy. If you want a full routine that applies everything we covered, click the video on the screen right now. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next guide. Now go get strong.